Rust on car rims not only looks bad, but can also damage the metal over time. Removing rust keeps your rims clean, shiny, and in good condition. There are simple steps to safely remove rust from car rims at home. Purple Power Cleaner and Degreaser effectively removes rust, grease, and dirt, leaving car rims clean and shiny. To remove rust from car rims, first sprinkle Purple Power Cleaner and Degreaser generously onto the rusty areas. This removes rust and all dirt from the rim, leaving it clean and smooth. Next, take a microfiber cloth and thoroughly wipe the rim, removing all loosened rust, dirt, and cleaner residue. Make sure to clean every corner and groove for a smooth, spotless surface. After wiping, rinse the car rims thoroughly with fresh water to remove any remaining cleaner and loosened rust particles. Ensure all surfaces are fully washed so no residue or chemicals are left behind. After washing, use a clean microfiber cloth to thoroughly dry the rims, removing all water and preventing water spots or streaks. Next, sprinkle Blueguard onto a sponge and evenly apply it to the rims, coating the surface to protect and shine them. After cleaning, you will see that the car rim is completely clean and all rust has been removed. Soapy water helps loosen dirt and surface rust, making car rims easier to clean without causing damage. First, wash the car rim thoroughly with soapy water to remove loose dirt, brake dust, and surface rust. Ensure the area is completely clean and ready for proper rust treatment and further cleaning steps. Then, scrub the rim thoroughly with a brush to loosen and remove any remaining rust and dirt. Next, scrape the rim gently with a plastic scraper to remove stubborn rust and debris. Be careful not to damage the surface while lifting off the remaining residue. After wiping your car rims, ensure all rust and residue are completely cleaned. All-purpose cleaner effectively breaks down rust, dirt, and grime, making car rims cleaner and easier to restore. To remove rust from car rim, first wash it with fresh water. Then sprinkle all-purpose cleaner onto the car rim, covering rusty areas evenly and thoroughly for better cleaning results. Leave it for some time to loosen dirt and rust buildup. Next, scrape the surface gently with a plastic card to lift and remove the loosened rust and dirt without scratching or damaging the rim's finish. Work carefully around the edges and corners, applying steady pressure to ensure all remaining rust particles are fully cleared away. Then, rinse the rim thoroughly with clean water, washing away all loosened rust, dirt, and cleaner. Ensure no residue remains, leaving the surface fully clean and ready for drying or further treatment. After cleaning, you can see that the car rim is free of rust and all dirt has been removed. So, by applying these effective methods and products, you can remove rust from car rims.